Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing the HackerRank staircase problem. Okay, it is a simple pattern type problem, and this comes under algorithm warm-up section. Okay, and here in this problem we will be given an integer n and its value, as you can see, and we have to print n number of levels ranging from 1 to n. For each level, n value is incremented till we reach the in value whatever is given. Okay, we need to print a right aligned. Okay, this might not look clearly for you, but you have to print a tree which is right aligned. Okay, its base and height are both equal to n. Okay, this is a n by n, you can see. Okay, 4 columns. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 4 rows. 1 2 3 4. It is drawn using a symbol and spaces. The last line is not preceded by any spaces. Okay, write a program that prints a staircase of size n. Complete the staircase function in the editor below. Print a staircase. We need to print the value staircase. We'll given an integer input. Okay, let us see here. Okay, we are given n is equals to 6. Okay, and here for level 1, let us call 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, we'll be having 1 hash and n minus 1 spaces. Okay, similarly for level 2, we'll be having 2 hashes and n minus 2 spaces. For level 3, 3 hashes and n minus 3 spaces. Okay, I hope it's clear. For every level, we'll print the level number of hashes and n minus level number of spaces. Okay, let us see the problem. We'll be iterating to the for loop. For n times, as we need n number of columns, and here we'll be iterating through another for loop. If k is equals to I, j will be less than n j plus plus. Okay, and let us call another loop. If k equals to k is equals to 0, k will be less than n k plus plus. Okay, for the first one we'll be using it for printing spaces, and the second one we'll be using for printing. Okay, let me give this. Okay, I'll not be using println because we don't need it in a new line, so I'll be erasing it. And For every test case, I will be giving a new line. Okay, this is a blank line just to change the line number. Okay, and here we'll be getting a problem. I'll show you what the problem is. We need to do something here. See, we'll be getting a problem as I said. Okay, to overcome this problem, I'll be starting I value with 1 and I will be less than or equal to n and I plus plus and j will be from I to n. Okay, now let us fill the. Okay, still we are getting the wrong answer. We need a right aligned tree. We don't need all this. We are getting spaces correctly, but not the hashes. Okay, let's check what's the problem here. K is equals to 0. Okay, K is less than J. Fine. Let me run it. Here is I. I'll explain the code. In the ith iteration, that is for the ith line, we'll be printing I number of hashes. Okay, in the first line we'll get 1, in the second line 2, third line 3, fourth line 4, till nth line we'll get n hashes and the spaces will be reducing. Okay? Let's see the spaces. That was my SQL server. It refreshes every day at 12 o'clock. And yeah, this one. For in j is equals to 1, j is less than n, j plus j is equals to I. See here, we have initialized I with 1 from I to n. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, from 1 to 5. We'll get 5 spaces here, and sixth one is the hash. I is 1, so 0 to 1, 1 hash. Okay, similarly, when I becomes 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4 spaces and 2 hashes, 0 and 1. Okay, I hope you understood the code. Let me submit. See, it has passed all the test cases. Hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.